Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can communicate with your supplier without switching platforms such as WhatsApp or other communication channels, all doing this on HelpWave. So let's say you have a customer having received a defective product and now you need to ask your supplier to send a replacement, and you also want to transfer the picture either because you want to have a refund from the carrier or any other reason. So in that case, you can solve that easily by just asking the copilot to transfer the photo to the fulfillment center, generate resolution. And now we have two actions. The first one is contact fulfillment center. So it will send this message to your supplier on the Slack channel with the picture attached. So this is a photo that was sent by supplier. It was automatically downloaded and added to the message. And this is a response to the customer. To validate actions, I just need to click on this green button. Now I have a blue message with the Fulfillment Center label. So all blue messages on the ticket are the communication with the Fulfillment Center about the specific order. So the AI automatically add the order name also. And I can send response to customer. And now if I go on the Slack channel, I can see that my message was just sent and arrived on the channel. And here I have the picture. Okay, so this is a fake picture I just took. And now as a supplier, and also you can see that I was tagged, so I received a notification. This is good so that your supplier always receive a notification, and this is the tag you see here, okay? Now as a supplier, if I answer, okay, here is the new tracking number, and I send a random one, okay? Now I just refresh the ticket, and I have the message that just arrived here on the ticket. So as you can see, you don't even need to go on the Slack because the message will automatically be created and displayed here on the ticket. And now I can ask transfer the tracking number to the customer, generate resolution, and AI should suggest me to transfer this number. Okay, so perfect. I have the right answer, transferring the new number. And I also have this action, update tracking number. This will update the order tracking into Shopify so that if you send the tracking URL directly in your message, the customer will have the updated tracking link. Otherwise, it's not updated, so it will they will see the older one which is already delivered, basically. So this action is useful for this. And if I click here, it will send message and close ticket. I have a last note. If you want to write a manual message to the fulfillment center supplier, you can write here by selecting message fulfillment center and say, hello, it is test message. And then you can send this message. It will not be sent to customer. It will be sent in the Slack thread that was created with the ticket. Okay, it's here just now. Hello, it is test message. And that's all. You know everything. You no longer need to switch on WhatsApp or other stuff.